My dear brothers and sisters, in today's gospel we have one of the most misunderstood of all the passages. It looks like Jesus is not giving due respect to his mother. On the contrary, Jesus knows very well that Mary is the first disciple who did the will of God perfectly. And in today's gospel, Jesus redefines family, not by blood, but by shared obedience to the Father's will. And how we have seen in the life of Mary, right from the beginning of her call, Mary did the will of God perfectly. Initially, she had her doubts when the angel Gabriel brought the news to her. But once she understood her call, she did not look back. Let's see some of the qualities that a disciple possesses and whether we find them in Mary. A disciple is the one who follows the call. And I'm sure Mary followed the call to the fullest. A disciple is the one who lets himself be taught. As I said, initially Mary had her doubts. But once they were clear to her, she allowed Angel Gabriel to be taught about what God wants from her. A disciple is the one who thinks differently. Once Mary understood what was the call God was asking her to follow, she did not think what the world will say about her. So she thought differently. A disciple is the one who accepts obedience. And at the beginning of the Mass, I said, Mary is the one who did the will of God perfectly with obedience. Let's take a moment and recall to ourselves. This gospel passage is read to us. And as if Jesus is telling us by stretching out his hands, you are my disciples. Let's see how we have been his disciples.